So starting the test drive in this Envision Avenir, I'm gonna put into the all-wheel drive mode. I'm in the two-wheel drive mode now, and I can tell because I feel the vehicle pulling from the front. But we're gonna put it into the all-wheel drive for the remainder of the test drive because that's what we wanna kind of test out here. I'm gonna slow it down here, try to give it a good pull getting on the interstate. Not gonna floor it, but gonna give it a little something from a stop. Here we go. So minimal effort given there. Great acceleration. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Envision today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now this does have the continuous damping control, so I can feel it just a tad, helping the ride quality. These are just smooth, they're Buicks, they ride like Buicks regardless, but this Avenir just takes it up a notch. I wouldn't necessarily, it's included on the Avenir, right? So it's a nice perk, but I wouldn't necessarily pay more if that was the only reason that you were gonna get this. Because there's probably about a 5-10 grand difference between this and let's say a comparable preferred with options or a sport touring. So again, for me, I love having it, but I would get the Avenir anyway if I was gonna get one. But if I wasn't gonna get an Avenir, I wouldn't get an Avenir just to have the damping control. You'll be just as fine with the standard ride in my opinion. So in terms of what you get for the money, it's not cheap, but I think it's this is a top of the line Avenir with all-wheel drive. And for a Buick, that's basically your high country or your Denali, even your Denali Ultimate if you're looking at it from a GM perspective, a King Ranch for a Ford, so on and so forth. So I just think this is a good way to go if you're wanting to have all that you can get on a Buick Envision. You have the massage driver's seat, heated and cooled front seats, this sunroof on here, dual zone climate controls, heated steering wheel, and I love the cool gray with the blue accents. It just, something about it just makes this feel like $1,000,000. But just having the 30-inch ultra wide display here, they did a great job putting this in these vehicles. It doesn't feel overwhelming, but it is a really cool feature to have. I mean, for the money, it says Buick, but really I would compare this to a comparable BMW, Mercedes, and basically say you're getting it a little bit cheaper here just because it's a GM manufactured product. But nothing here feels cheap. It all feels premium, from the steering wheel to the layout of the screen to the buttons. And you know, I like how it drives too, having that all-wheel drive here, having the continuous damping. But again, not something I would necessarily notice if I was only driving an Envision. The Envision doesn't ride hard at all. It's just a smooth driving vehicle, whether you have the continuous damping control on or not. But having this on just kind of helps with that to make it a more enjoyable, relaxing ride. But I mean, standard heads-up display, that was an interesting thing to do, I think, for Buick to put on the Envisions. I'm glad they did, but It was so few and far between on the outgoing models. I just think it's funny it's in everything now, but I'm here for it. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Buick Envision Avenir with all-wheel drive.